Join Europe's biggest platform for digital treatment planning in aligner orthodontic, the TP Academy platform. We put together the aligner knowledge from all over the world with all different systems in one platform for you to make your digital treatment planning process as easy and efficient as possible. Every 2 weeks we have live webinars. We show very critical cases, orthodontists from all over the world, aligner speakers, key opinion leaders, and we show exactly in details the secret of the treatment process. We also show you how we do the digital treatment planning process. We use the 3D tools and we do the communication with the technician. We have already more than 50 hours of well-structured content. Doesn't matter if you are a beginner or if you are very high experienced in aligner orthodontics. We have a community function where you can communicate with doctors from all over the world and where you can learn and grow together. So join the TP Academy. I would love to welcome you.